my name's Monique and we're going to talk about the cranial bones. First off, we have the frontal, which is up in the front region. Second, we have the parietal, which is up here in this region. Below, we have the occipital, which connects to the spinal cord. And the temporal is right here in this region. The temporal mandibular is right here on the jaw area. The mastoid is right here. The styloid is underneath. The acoustic is right here, this little hole indent, and the squamous part is in with this area. So we're going to start off with the sphenoids. The lesser wing is up here. The greater wing is below. The optical canal is right here in this little region. And then we have the sella teresia, which is somewhere in this region, which is not a very good picture. We have the ethmoid, which is behind this region of the orbit, behind the lacrimal.
Go.
The crystal gully is in the inner eye, and the cribriform is in this region right here. The coronal area region is across on top of the head. The sagittal area is this area. The lamb. Stop.
Go.
Okay, so the sagittal area, my mistake, is in this region. The lambdoid is in this area, and the squamous is in this area. We're going to be talking about the facial bones. The maxilla is up in the upper part. The alveolar is in the bottom of the teeth. The nasal is in this area. Zygomatic is the cheekbone area. Vomer is the lower part of the nose. Ethmoid is in the inner part of the eye. Sorry. The inferior nasal concha is this. Mandible body is this area. So you have the body, the angle, the ramus, the mandibular condyle. You have the mandibular notch and the coronoid.
The ring.
I'm going to point out the vertebrae columns. There's 4 curves. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. The cervical vertebrae has 7 vertebrae. The upper part is the cervical curvatures. In the middle we have the thoracic curvatures, which is in this region. We have the lumbar curvatures, and below we have the sacral curvature. I'm going to be reading off the thoracic vertebrae. There are 12 vertebrae. The spinous process is in this region here. The transverse process is within the inner part. The intervertebral foramen is in this region right here. The body of the centrum is within this area right here. And the position of the intervertebral disc is right here.